Good morning, friends. Welcome to Wallpaper Wednesday. Well, this week, Wallpaper Wednesday was to make a wallpaper wreath. And I'm sorry, I'm in a completely different setup for filming, and I'm actually sitting on the floor. Here's my knee. Because my life is in complete disarray right now. So you have to please forgive me if things are kind of like in and out of focus and all that. So anyway, back to the wreath. So I made this wreath and I absolutely love it. It is made not 100%. Hold on, let me back up a notch. It is made 98%, let's say, out of wallpaper. So we're gonna flip it over so you can see the back. This is a red doily, under that is a pink doily. I did two together just for extra strength, and actually under that is one more piece of round paper just to give it a firm backing. So that's the part that is not wallpaper. Then when we flip it over, the only other part that is not wallpaper is the center, obviously. Now, I got to tell you about this, and then I'll tell you how I made it. But this center, this was a clip-on earring. I got it at the thrift store in one of those bulk bags that you get for, you buy the whole bag, you don't know what the heck's in it. And that was in there. And I don't know, I was going through my stuff and I was like, what should I put in the center of this thing? And I saw this and I was like, it's perfect. I have to use it. So I just love this. So basically what I did was, it's the same thing as you do when you make any paper wreath with the rolled look. And so that's what I did. I rolled longer ones for the outer rim, as you could see. So you could see that, all of these would be a little bit longer and they face in towards the center. So I did a bunch of rolling. You roll it and then you tape it, and then you hot glue it to this. So once the bottom layer was done, I made shorter ones. And if there were some that weren't short enough, I just clipped the end and like tucked them in. And then there were some spots that most people, when they do these, they do the 2 layers. I wanted a little extra interest and texture, if you will. And there were some spots that, I don't know, kind of looked empty or something. So I made even smaller ones and then just shoved them in there. And these two, these were kind of big to be on top. They should have been on the end, but they were shorter. So I just put smaller ones inside. And then I went around and, let me make sure I'm still on camera. Okay. And then I went around and I used my permanent markers and I colored. This would have all been white inside because obviously it's wallpaper. And if I hold it like that, you could probably see in there that they are white down in there, right? But I went ahead and colored I'm kind of in the sun and kind of in the shade, aren't I? Sorry about that. Anyway, I'm right next to my window. It's really cold out today. Here in Florida, right now it's like 30 something, which is like freezing to us. Like I'm talking like Eskimo weather to us. So anyway, I'm by the window and I have the curtain open because it's nice and sunny and the warmth is coming in through the window. Anyway, back to our wreath. So I colored each one of these, and then once I found this with the white and the black, I went ahead and I outlined each end with a little bit of black, just to like pull it all together. So I am super thrilled with how this turned out. And I was thinking what I might do is let me see if you can see it. Okay, like right between this right here, and then if I find another one, say, oh yeah, right here would be perfect. Oops, hold on, I'm in the shade again. Hold on, what's going on? Let me hold this properly. Okay, so there's a space right here. And there's a space right here. Can you see it? I can't tell if you can see it because the sun's blasting me in my eyeball. Anyway, I think I'll put hot glue, some thread or yarn down in there. Maybe burlap would be better, like, a burlap string. And then I can hang this on the wall, right? I mean, so cute. So if I do that, I will take a picture and put it at the end of this video. But I hope you love my wreath. I love it. I think it's really fun. I think it's really unique. And, it's kind of special. I wanted to let you know that I did add a hanger for this wreath. So I'm going to take a picture of it on the wall and then I will share that with you. So thanks for watching, and if you played along, thanks for playing along. If you would like to play along, please join in. It's an open collaboration. Use the hashtag Wallpaper Wednesday and then tag me, put me in your description box, and I will put your video in my description box. In 2 weeks, it's gonna be make a journal with your wallpaper, and it could be all out of wallpaper, it could be just some wallpaper, it could be tiny, it could be big, it could be elaborate, it could be simple, whatever you want. So join us if you'd like. And thanks for watching. See you soon.